Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the new release FEDORA 39, the latest release. 2 days ago this system has a 39 version of FEDORA, and after 2 days I have already installed the new version 39 release. And if you want to know about the 39, what is new in the 39 version, so you can just check it my video. So if you find what in new FEDORA 39 release in the YouTube, so I have already uh, this system has very old, and this system hasn't the traditional FEDORA. This is a traditional FEDORA Genome workstation, but this system has different FEDORA. You and very old, more than 13 years. So how to know about my systems? So to know about my system, open the LX terminal and type hostname CTL, hostname CTL, and hit and enter. You can see the computer desktop, FEDORA Linux. You can see the FEDORA Linux 39 version and 5-month OS support remaining, 5-month remaining Linux. This one 5-month architecture x86 Dell incorporation Inspiron 560 model and a month. And this system has not very old, but it is a bit old, 13 years, 9 months and 1 day. So you can see this is the FEDORA Linux 39 version. So now I want to show you how to upgrade, how I have upgraded. So if you check on my YouTube channel, so update compatible version step updation, sudo dnf upgrade refresh. So the second step is sudo dnf upgrade space, and when in refresh it updated all the new release version or upgrade any software and replace any software, this step. And third step, what to do? The third step, install the DNF plugin. Then you have to install the DNF plugin to upgrade packages. To do this, type the sudo dnf install dnf -plugin -system -upgrade, and this is the third step. And after complete this step, go to the fourth step, and this is the very important, and this is the last step. Fourth step, download Fedora 2039 release, sudo dnf space everything sudo space dnf system -upgrade space download space double hyphen release version equal to 39, and this time it takes several minutes according to your internet speed. It download and this time the total file 3.6 gig file size, total file size, because I have remembered that this file size was a 3.6 gig, and it takes a long according to internet speed. This is the last step, and when it is completed, then the 5 step, what to do? 5 step restart or to reboot your system to install a new version of Fedora. To do that, type the sudo dnf space system -upgrade space reboot. When you type this and hit enter, then the system automatically restart. And after restart, and 6th step, wait several minutes, because this step you have to wait several minutes to install the new version Fedora in your operating system. When it is finished, when it is 100% finished, the second step, almost the last step, log in the new version Fedora. And when you log in, then you can see this desktop, because this is you can see this is the default desktop wallpaper of new Fedora version. You can see